Ano ba ya?
Oh, kamu ya.
Lamig.
Datang kuliah kini ki ada beberapa bagi advertisement.
Balay sila penjenjar ya lagi. Papinjat kerpang kini. Like link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com. Pinjok buat kijing penda. Bat ki berta ki shula. Link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com.
Oh, bentar mau. Boleh sih kawan.
Hadian ke jingtua jong ka dom jong ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly ka badai ru ka jingtai ka bahe apo ka jala penpau mitirong ba ka jala konrat ke sangma ba ka dom ka bala prano ka dai ka bahe banye ka Rashtrapati Bhavan ni ka yingsau president ka Ynda batru ye ki weg jingtai haki jala jong ka than chatai lamingi haba pensngo ye ka jingdiaw haki lar thai ku bor umitirong ba ulong ba umpot judon koj ki bala tei lani ban persang bansna handrei ka dai tang ka jala Meghalaya shushu ulong ba ka sarkar kan omdu jingkerman handrei kan trisitam ban penyai bej sakmat.
I want to take this opportunity also to say something, about yesterday or my visit, because I didn't get a chance to mention it. So what happened in the new assembly building definitely is something that is very unfortunate, tragic in one way. We have been working very hard to make this happen, and was it avoidable? Maybe, we don't know. Let the inquiry come in. Is it something that we didn't expect? Yes, absolutely, we didn't expect. We thought that things would move forward. But then, these things happen. These are accidents and situations that happen in many construction areas. So we have to keep that in mind. Number two, you have to keep in mind that the technicality of a project like this is very, very high. Let me tell you that the level or the height of this dome is even higher than the dome that is there in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. There is no project in the whole of northeast or even eastern part of India which has been, this kind of project has been even tried out because of the technical complication of this. So therefore, one has to keep in mind that it was not a simple construction project. It was highly a technical project. And did we expect it? We didn't expect that it would. We hoped that it would move in the right direction. And when the whole setup was put in, we really expected that things were stable. And I think all of you know that it's a huge setup. In hundreds of metric tons of weight is there. So therefore, these things are technicalities which one needs to understand, that it's not a simple construction. It's not another building that we're making, a school building or a college building that we're making. This is a very, very highly technical building which has never been tried out in the entire northeast region, and for the first time, and it would have been an iconic structure. So we were really working towards it. But now that this has happened, we will get up again and we will keep moving forward. We'll ensure that we complete this project. Yes, we have got a small setback. We will review the situation. We will ensure that the third-party audit is done. Necessary action should be taken if the audit reports come out, in whatever way they come out. And more importantly, we will find out how we should move forward. And once we get the audit report, once we can once again speak to concerned people and stakeholders, then we'll decide on how we should move forward in the technical part of things and see how we could complete this project at the earliest. So yes, we've had a setback, but I can assure you, I can assure the people of the state that we are more determined to ensure that this project moves forward. We're more determined to make sure that it's completed, and we will do it. And the challenges are there, but the challenges will not bring us down. I can assure you that we will ensure that we complete this project at the earliest. Inquiries happen. If somebody is convicted and somebody is found to be guilty, then it's a different issue. But there could be many reasons why an inquiry takes place, and I think to judge and say that a person is guilty before even the final inquiry and the report comes in and conviction comes in would also be unfair. But nonetheless, since you mentioned this to me, I will find out what the background of this entire thing is. But as I said, still, based on an inquiry and a complaint, if people are found guilty and we start punishing them just because an inquiry is going on, that is completely, again, not fair. So therefore, if the conviction is there, definitely then it is a serious matter.